I don't know why people choose.
Would you like a bite? Look at that beef.
I love the texture of this so much. It's like mashed potatoes and Play-Doh. Oh my gosh, I love this so much.